All right, today I'm checking out a new fishing spot that I just found at this newish park. I really don't know how old this park is, but it looks like everything is brand new here. And they've built a little water access right here, which you could launch a kayak at. Now I've brought two different setups for rods and reels. The first one is what I was calling the Joe rig. It's just a small wire crappie hook and a little split shot. And I'm going to put a nightcrawler on this and see if I could get a bluegill or something that I could cut up for my bigger rig, so I can see if I can catch some bullheads here. This looks like a perfect spot for bullheads because you have a little spring coming into the main creek. So you have a little bit of everything here. You have a current seam, you have a current break, got some wood downstream, and it's a bend in the creek. It's a really good looking spot. I'm gonna put a nightcrawler on here, hope for the best. And I brought my bucket just in case I did catch some bullheads, because I'd like to try to catch a flathead with the bullheads if I get a couple. I have no idea what I'm going to catch here. Nice little rod holder right here too. I think I put a gob of nightcrawlers on this one too. At least until I get something in the creek that I can cut up that bullheads might like. I could catch bullheads on the nightcrawlers too. Nice gob of nightcrawler. Well, got myself hung up trying to throw it near the wood. Thankfully, I brought my little tackle box. And I got one of my good hooks left. I'm gonna have to buy some more. And there's the hook. I like putting a snell on it, and then I just put a split shot up from it. There we go, back in business. Just going to use half of a nightcrawler this time. I'm going to try dropping it by the tree over here. A dead one. Look at that. That's a sucker. It might be on my line, I don't know it. Yeah. What? Yeah, he is. He was just swimming around there. Wow, that's a big sucker. I'm not going to keep this guy. I'm going to let this guy go. That is a cool fish right there. Look at that. The new spot is paid off. Really cool looking sucker fish. I didn't even know he was on the line. He was just jumping out of the water. I'm like, why is that sucker jumping out of the water? He was hooked. Cool. Let's go release this guy. All right, dude. You are a cool fish. Come on. You're ready to go. There he goes. Cool. Now that fish would have made great flathead bait. It was perfect size for it, but I don't catch them that often out of this creek. So I'd rather release it to let it live on. Now if I start catching them like crazy here, I might keep a couple. But for now, I'm just kind of exploring this spot. There we go. Another gob of nightcrawlers. Right in the current seam. I am using a 1 ounce snow roll, which might be a tad bit too heavy for this creek. If anything, it's holding it in place really well. Okay, I'm going to try what I was going to do earlier. Well, that didn't produce anything, so I just tossed it out there and wait. Oh, there's a bite. Really subtle bite. That is a 1/0 Team Catfish double action circle hook, so the fish should hook itself. Oh. That previous fish did hook itself, obviously. It's funny getting more action on the bigger rig here. I'm going to check these out. It's been about 10-15 minutes. Being a creek, I could be wiped out pretty quick, especially when using night crawlers. How often do you guys check your lines when you're creek fishing like this? Every 15 minutes, or you just let it go? Yep. Had me mostly wiped out. I'm just using one night crawler at a time. And nothing has touched this one. I guess they only want the gob today. It is a really nice day to be outside fishing. Beautiful, beautiful day. Nope. I want to try at the creek mouth. You guys can watch this rod for me. There are a lot of snags over there. Thankfully, I didn't lose my hook. Squirrel fishing. Oh, that's typical creek fishing for you. You lose a lot of gear. And I don't have any more of those hooks. I'm gonna have to go buy some. I do have some other things I need to do today, so I'm going to give this a few more minutes. I might refresh it one more time, and then I got to take off. This is definitely a sweet little spot that I will come back to. There's a rock or something down there. Oh, and they completely wiped me out. All right. At least there's fish here. 1 ounce no roll swivel, 1/0 team catfish double action circle hook. And I'm actually using 15-pound braid on this reel. I don't know what the leader line is. I'd say it's probably 12 pounds or less. Well, I have successfully found a new fishing spot. If you guys like this spot, hit that thumbs up, and I'll definitely come back here again another day to see if I can catch some more fish. Maybe I'll come here after dark to see if I can catch some bullheads someday. It looks like the perfect spot for bullheads. But yeah, I really do like this area, so I'm definitely going to come back. And I think I've said that a couple of times already, but thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I get to see you in the next video, or you get to see me.